Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. I'm not gonna go too into it because it has the same specs as the Galaxy, as the Samsung Galaxy S6. So yeah, nothing's different. I'll be testing camera out, the memory. You can pick that and everything. So yeah, just take that off and put that over there. So yeah, Samsung. It has a white pearl around its case instead of that one that you got in the Galaxy S4. So yeah, that's different. Hold on. So okay, I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, nothing too thing. Okay. You got a quick start guide. You don't need that though. And the phone itself. And I'm gonna take that off. Yeah, it's nice and cold. Just got it in the mail. Put that over there. Oh god, can't let y'all see that. Memory card, and then you got all the.
That's just the book you want.
Then you just got this book. Really don't need it.
Huh?
Nothing.
Well, you still keep it.
And then you got headphones. You got the new charger. It charges even faster. It touches on my Galaxy S4. So yeah, it has I figured out how many watts it pulls out. And then the charger. Nothing's different. Same thing. What is this? Don't know what we use that for. No.
Huh?
No. I can do it. And then, yeah. I don't know what you use that for. Use that for something. And then that's it. That's all you get. Just put all the stuff back in the box. I'll use it for later. And
I know you happy, right?
yep, I'm super happy.
You want to call your daddy?
No. No.
Y'all probably go tomorrow to get your cases.
Yeah, we're gonna get our cases tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't even have to go in.
Okay, now for the phone. Quick so I can go over there. Now for the phone. Yeah, it's an Edge. So, Alexa, I'm gonna need you real quick. Can you like undo it without touching the screen? Nice.
So just peel it off.
Oh yeah, peel that off.
Oh.
Hold on.
So just peel it off or something. Because I know I have one of these on my iPod. Just
Crap! You turned it on. Here's it. Turn it on. Got that blue light. Yeah.
It's on. But you got it activated.
It looks the same to the iPhone, but not all the way same because it has an edge. But I like the glass design on the back. That's something I really was looking forward to. This. And you got that and speakers at the bottom, which is really cool. Oh, that's bright. So yeah. Hold on.
I'll probably have to call this. Because I'm going to have to get granddaddy's thing for his Social Security. Are you want me to call it?
No, I got it.
You don't have to, you have to have his two last numbers for his Social Security number.
So yeah, I just had to do my Gmail stuff. I can't let y'all see that. Eastern time zone. We are in.
This is a pizza.
Yeah.
In the Eastern Pacific.
Maybe in Eastern.
Or date or time.
You can just set it by your car down there, the table bit.
So yeah, this is what's on my old phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy. I last used it today, and I got that many apps. So yeah. That's a story. This might take some time. So to compare an iPod with the my sister's iPod with it. Turn the light.
Turn the light on.
Yeah, turn the light on.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bam.
Let's do it. This is her iPod, and this is the phone. You compare that side by side, yeah. You take a look under it, yeah. And I'm not saying Samsung is cheating. I'm just saying they're doing a very good job. So yeah, it's bigger and better. Put it over there. You can put it out. So yes, it took a long time. I got it working, and now I have it. It's working. Yeah. So hold on. So yes, I had to move. I had to get the fingerprint thing on, and now I do. Hold on. Yes, and I did the voice command for it. So if I say, "Hi Galaxy," it turns on by itself. So yes, I swipe it open. I got the fingerprint thing. You got the edge thing and all that other stuff. It tells you. And hold on. Yes, yeah, it's good. I mean, actually, it's excellent. It's great. Yeah. Oh, and they even put Instagram as a system thing, so you can't take it off. So yeah, it's great. Performs good. It doesn't have that delay when you let's see, I think it does. No, it doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, you got S Health and S Voice and all that. Let me see something I can use. Where's the setting? Oh, here's some. Yes, you got the settings, and it's pretty good. I'm trying to find out more. Yeah, that's it. Enabled display. I might turn on smart stay. Daydream. I'm gonna go to edge screen. And yeah, you got the edge where if somebody's calling you, the color of the call will, you know, come up on that side of the screen. And then yeah, I'm gonna try to put that power saving thing on. On the applications. Power settings. But y'all should already know the Samsung Galaxy S6 is an awesome phone. I recommend that you get it. Cause I pre-ordered this one. Yeah. I just don't have enough words for this phone. It's really, really great. So